Have you ever fallen for the hype? In 2026, car ads and influencers make some models sound like the ultimate dream. Fast, stylish, tech-packed. But once you own one, the shine fades fast. High repair costs, poor fuel economy, or just not living up to the buzz. Today, we're calling out 7 of the most overrated cars on the market and pairing each with a smarter, more reliable alternative that gives you better value without the regrets. We'll break it down simple: why the popular pick falls short and why the underdog wins. Based on real 2026 data from owner reviews, repair stats, and efficiency tests, this could save you thousands. Let's jump in and rethink your next buy. Overrated number 1. Tesla Model 3. The EV everyone's talking about, but is it worth the wait? Starting at $42,000 new, it's praised for its autopilot features and zero-emissions drive. Acceleration is lightning quick, 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds on base models, and the huge touchscreen controls everything from music to climate. But here's the catch: battery range drops in cold weather, down to 200 miles real-world from the claimed 272. Charging times drag if you're not at a supercharger, and repair waits can stretch weeks due to parts shortages. Owners complain about build quality, rattles, panel gaps, and software bugs that lock features until updates. In 2026, with EV competition heating up, it's overrated for daily commuters who need reliability over flash. Buy this instead: Hyundai Ioniq 6. For $38,000 new or $28,000 used, 2024 models with low miles, it's a sleek sedan with up to 361 miles of range, better than the Model 3 in efficiency tests. The 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery charges fast, 10–80% in 18 minutes on 350 kilowatt stations, and the interior feels premium with physical buttons for easy control. No autopilot drama here. Adaptive cruise and lane keep work smoothly without subscriptions. Owners love the quiet ride and low running costs, about 4 cents per mile versus gas cars. One reviewer said, "Switched from Model 3, same fun, half the headaches." It's the EV that focuses on practical driving, not just hype. Overrated number 2. Jeep Wrangler. Off-road icon, but everyday nightmare? At $35,000 base, it's all about that rugged look, removable doors, and trail-conquering 4x4 system. Crawl ratios and water-fording depth make it king of the dirt. But on pavement? The ride is bumpy, noisy, wind howls at highway speeds, and fuel-thirsty, 18 mpg combined. Reliability dips with electrical issues and rust in salty areas. In 2026, with better hybrids out, it's overrated for anyone not living on trails. Most owners use it as a mall crawler, paying premium for unused capability. Buy this instead: Ford Bronco Sport. Starting at $30,000 new or $25,000 used 2025 models, it's adventure-ready with standard all-wheel drive, terrain modes, and GOAT, goes over any terrain system. But unlike Wrangler, it rides smooth on roads, thanks to independent suspension, gets 25 mpg combined, and has a quiet cabin with Apple CarPlay standard. Cargo space is huge, 65 cubic feet folded, and safety features like blind spot monitoring come free. A Bronco Sport driver shared, "Off-road fun without the rough daily drive. Best of both worlds." It's the versatile SUV that doesn't sacrifice comfort for capability. Overrated number 3. BMW 3 Series. Sporty legend, but maintenance monster? Around $45,000 new, it's hailed for razor-sharp handling, powerful engines, up to 382 horsepower in M340i, and luxurious cabin. Steering feedback is top-notch, making curves addictive. But oil leaks, turbo failures, and electronic glitches hit hard after 50,000 miles. Average annual repairs top $1,200 per Consumer Reports. In 2026, with cheaper sports sedans rising, It's overrated for budget-conscious drivers who want fun without the shop visits. Buy this instead. Mazda 3. For $25,000 new or $20,000 used 2025 hatchbacks, it delivers similar thrills with a 2.5-liter turbo, 250 horsepower, and precise handling from G-Vectoring Tech. Fuel economy shines at 32 mpg combined, and the interior rivals BMW with leather options and quiet insulation. Reliability is stellar. Few major issues reported. One Mazda fan noted, "Drives like a BMW, but costs half to own. No regrets after 60,000 miles. It's the affordable thrill seeker that keeps your wallet happy." Overrated. Number 4. Chevrolet Corvette. Mid-engine supercar dream, but daily driver dud? At $65,000 base, the C8's 495 horsepower V8 and 2.9 seconds 0 to 60 scream performance. Styling turns heads, and track mode transforms it into a beast. But storage is tiny, 13 cubic feet total. Ride quality jars on bad roads, and parts like the dual-clutch transmission can fail expensively, $5,000 plus fixes. In 2026, it's overrated for anyone needing practicality alongside speed. Most sit in garages, not on commutes. Buy this instead. Porsche 718 Cayman. Starting at $60,000 new or $50,000 used 2024 models, it offers balanced mid-engine handling, a 300 horsepower flat 4, and 4.9 second sprints. But it's more livable. Better ride comfort, usable trunk space, and fewer breakdowns. Owners praise the exhaust note and precision. A Cayman driver said, "Track star that doubles as my daily reliable and exhilarating." It's the sports car that doesn't demand sacrifices. Overrated. Number 5. Range Rover Sport. Luxury off-roader legend, but wallet destroyer? Starting around $85,000 new, it's loaded with plush leather, air suspension that floats over bumps, and a supercharged V8 that roars. Off-road tech, like Terrain Response 2, makes it feel unstoppable on trails. But in real life? Air suspension leaks and compressors fail around 60,000 to 80,000 miles, $4,000 to $8,000 per corner. Electrical gremlins shut down features randomly, and fuel economy hovers at 18 mpg, even unloaded. Repair bills average $2,000 plus per year after warranty. In 2026, it's overrated for anyone who wants luxury without constant dealer visits. Most owners baby it and rarely go off-road. Buy this instead. Lexus RX 350. For $50,000 new or $35,000 used, 2024-2025 models with low miles. It's a refined crossover with a smooth 2.4L turbo 4-cylinder, 275 horsepower, and optional hybrid for 36 mpg combined. The ride is pillow soft thanks to adaptive dampers, the cabin is dead quiet with buttery leather, and reliability is legendary. Many hit 200,000 miles with basic care. Cargo space is generous, 46 cubic feet folded, and safety tech like automatic emergency braking is standard. One RX owner said, "Swapped my Range Rover for this, same luxury feel, 0 breakdowns, and I actually use the back seats." It's the luxury SUV that focuses on peace of mind, not just status.
Overrated. Number 6. Porsche 911 Carrera, base model. Iconic sports car, but overpriced for what you get daily. At $120,000 plus new, it's the dream with rear-engine balance, razor-sharp steering, and that flat 6 howl. 0 to 60 in 4 seconds feels magical, and resale holds strong. But for everyday driving, the ride is firm. Even with adaptive suspension, rear seats are basically useless, and maintenance like IMS bearing checks or clutch replacements can hit $3,000 to $6,000. In 2026, with cheaper performance cars catching up, it's overrated if you're not tracking it weekly. Most sit in garages collecting dust. Buy this instead. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8. Starting at $68,000 new or $55,000 used, 2023 to 2025 low-mile examples, you get mid-engine magic, 495 horsepower naturally aspirated V8, and 2.9 seconds 0 to 60 for half the price. Handling rivals the 911 on track, yet it's more comfortable daily with adjustable magnetic ride control. Trunk space is surprisingly usable, 13 cubic feet front plus rear, and reliability has been strong so far. No major engine horror stories. A Corvette owner shared, "Traded my 911 for this. Faster, more practical, and $60,000 cheaper. No regrets." It's the supercar bargain that delivers thrills without the Porsche tax.
Overrated number 7, Toyota Prius? The hybrid everyone assumes is boring and unbeatable on efficiency? Around $28,000 new, it's famous for 57 mpg combined and bulletproof reliability. But in 2026, the ride is floaty and noisy at highway speeds, acceleration feels sluggish, 0 to 60 in 10+ seconds, and the interior plastics cheapen the experience. Tech is basic compared to newer hybrids, and resale has softened as EVs rise. It's overrated for drivers who want more than just fuel savings. Most find it dull after a month. Buy this instead. Toyota Camry Hybrid. For $30,000 new or $24,000 used 2025 models, you get the same hybrid system, 51 mpg combined, but in a mid-size sedan with real room, a smoother ride, and stronger acceleration, 0 to 60 around 7 seconds. The cabin feels upscale with soft-touch materials, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a quiet cabin. Reliability matches the Prius, but it's actually enjoyable to drive. An owner posted, "Ditched my Prius for the Camry Hybrid, same gas savings, way more comfortable, and I actually look forward to commutes." It's the hybrid that balances efficiency with real-world livability. There you have it, 7 overhyped cars in 2026, and the smarter alternatives that give you more car for your money, fewer headaches, and better daily enjoyment. The pattern is clear. Hype often hides compromises, while these picks deliver honest value. Which overrated car were you tempted by, or which swap would you make? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Year, model, why you're eyeing it. If this saved you from a bad decision or opened your eyes to a better option, smash that like button and subscribe for more Buy This Instead guides. Your support keeps these coming. See you in the next one.